Hello friends! Ooh, that was a good one. Welcome back to my channel. After 3 long weeks, I think, is how long it's been. It's been a while. But anyway, today's video is something that is just near and dear to my heart, and I have a confession to make. I have an obsession with houseplants. Who, me?
Yes, you beach.
Yes, I have been a collector of houseplants lately. I have quite the collection. Thank you. Shout out to my bestie Caesar for hooking me up with some plant clippings of his as well. But anyway, besides the point. Today, I thought it would be really fun to show you guys a couple of DIYs to help you hang your plants, because your girl loves hanging planters. I think they look aesthetically pleasing, they're cute, and it gives you more places to put your plants, so you don't have to have 1,000,001 tables for your plants to sit on. That gets awkward, trust me. So before we get started with this video, if you guys like it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I would love if you went down below and hit that subscribe button to join our big friend group we got going on here. We got some awesome peeps in this community. And without further ado, let's just get into these darn DIYs now, shall we? For the first DIY, we're going to make a basic knotted macrame planter hanger. So you're going to need a pot and some cotton rope or regular twine rope, whatever you prefer to use. Make 6 to 8 long strands of this, approximately 2 arms worth. Find the center point, fold all the strings in half, and put the folded end through a metal hoop. Tie a knot, and you should have something like this. For the next part, I recommend taping down the end so it's easier for you to do a square knot. So all you're going to do is take one strand from either end. To make a square knot, take your left strand, put it under the middle and over the right, then take your right, put it over the middle and under the left. Pull tight and you should have a basic square knot. You're going to reverse the instructions to create a complete square knot. So then you're going to be right under the middle and over the left, and the left over the middle and under the right. If that makes sense, watch carefully or look up a tutorial, which I highly recommend, because me explaining things is just, you know, not my cup of tea. So keep doing square knots until you have as many as you would like. This is just going to be the base of your hanger, the square knot into a knot so it does not unravel. And now this footage I lost. Unfortunately, you're going to take your strands and group them into an even number. Tie the 2 strings together right where they meet at the top of the pot, if that makes sense. As you can see here, make sure they are as even as possible. Now, after you have made those knots, I just taped down my strand so it was easier for me to work with. You're going to take the neighboring strings. So if you have your 2 groups, you're going to pull one string from the other group so that you're making a new group, tie them into a double knot, and continue to do this all the way down until you have knots reaching the bottom. I'm going back and forth from group to group, and you should see where the strings should tie next, because there will be a large gap between the last knot you created. So after you have done this as far as you can go, you're going to take all your strings, gather them at the very bottom center of the pot, and tie them all in a nice tight knot, trim off any excess, and boom, there you go, a basic macrame planter. I love these things and they look so cute with a trailing plant, like my beautiful pearls and jade pothos. The next planter uses some Dollar Tree products. Mama loves Dollar Tree. That place is lit, I must say. But anyway, I used these little shadow box picture frames. I bought 2 of them that were a white wood. Just removed the graphic by pushing on it very lightly, removing the back hanger, and ta-da! You got 2 wooden squares that are actually really nice for $1. Next, I'm taking one box, laying it flat, and the other one, and placing it in a diamond shape. gluing it down with some E6000 so this baby ain't going nowhere, wiping away some excess. And now we're going to add some string so we can hang this up. So using the same cotton rope I used before for the macrame, I'm just cutting 4 strands that are arm's length, folding the string in half so that it turns into 2 strands, slipping the ends into the little triangular space on the outside of the base of the planter. Wow, I'm just like not good at explaining things today. I'm sorry, guys. After you've done that, pull all your strands to the top and make sure it is as centered as possible so when it hangs, it's not crooked. Tie a nice tight knot. And bada bing, bada boom, you got another really adorable plant hanger. My aloe plant looks really stinking cute with my terracotta pot in this plant. I can't. It's so freaking cute. I can't get over it. But anyway, guys, that was it for this DIY video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I love you guys very much. Thank you for hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye!